Oppo unveiled the Find X Automobile Lamborghini Edition, which has super fast charging. Oppo says it can charge a battery from 0% to 100% in 35 minutes. The Lamborghini Edition Find X will cost €1,699, which is about $1,969. The phone will also have 512 megabytes of storage, a carbon fiber texture underneath the glass on the back of the device, and will be engraved with the Lamborghini logo. Otherwise, the Lamborghini Edition Find X will have similar specs to the standard Find X device, including face recognition, a 25-megapixel selfie camera, and a screen that covers more than 93% of the front of the phone. Oppo is launching the Find X in Europe this August.